Do you know where Bitcoin is going next? I made a video a month ago. Bitcoin can go to 48K. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you do. I've been doing YouTube videos from last 7 years. My last video, the oldest crypto video, live trading analysis video, was on BitX and Poloniex 7 years ago. I used to do live analysis. Then, I'm not super active when it comes to YouTube, but I do share on social medias. There is going to be Linktree link on the description. You can go there and follow my social, Discord or Twitter. I do share my analysis there regularly. Okay, let's discuss where Bitcoin is going next. I'll be honest, it's been very tricky time with Bitcoin because after the bounce, it's just playing around 60,000 for like last 5 days. It's not doing anything else. Let's start with monthly and we'll go down to daily. When this happened, after a big, very nice, clean move, right? This is what you want to see in any time frame, like happened right here. Very clean move, and we have a sharp dip. Here we had differently because there's a lot of demand in Bitcoin this time at this price range. We have a bearish engulfing. I remember everyone saying, okay, after a big move, after so many months, 7-8 months, we have a bearish engulfing. This is gonna go down, this and that. And what market does is market makers, they fake out the move, right? When the monthly opens and then take up. So anyone that was shorting this market on the break of these red candle low, they got trapped and the market, they got liquidated. And same thing, market been doing that. So anyone that was thinking, okay, market is back, is gonna go 100K. If they were buying, having swing traders, having stop loss below, they've been taken out. And wicking out, that's a good thing. Market is collecting the liquidity that it requires. The market makers, whales, whatever you want to name it. We have 17 days for this monthly to close. Right now, I don't know where it's going to close. So this is why you have to subscribe and follow me to know more about monthly chart. We'll go to weekly. All right, weekly, I've shared a chart. It looks very good. We have a big candle, but spending too much time. I do not like when market spends too much time here, too many fake outs. If we break down here, then we're probably going to spend a lot more time down here before we go up. Weekly candle looks fine. I wouldn't say the best because there was sharp drop. Of course, it had to bounce, but right now it's struggling. It's a third day today of the week. It's struggling. When we go to daily, I don't like it. One sharp, strong, nice candle, then loss of momentum. I do not like to see that. You want to see momentum like this keep going. If you see a loss of momentum, this is just a short squeeze. This move was just a short squeeze. You want to see a move to continue. All right, like here, there was a momentum here. You want to see this momentum keep going. When you see a big candle after a big drop, this is because of the short squeeze. People that were shorting this market keep on shorting. They were getting liquidated. That's all. It's simple as that. It's nothing made of a lot of bulls buying it. No, if there was a lot of bulls buying it, we should not struggle for a lot longer than the bounce. 1 day bounce, and then we have one whole week roughly for a sixth day today, ranging and struggling. If you notice something, Sunday closed here and Monday fakes out, right? Traps sellers and then goes up, right? And the next day goes up, fakes out the Monday high, and today does the same thing, fakes out, trying to get breakout traders trapped in. And then right now I'm looking for this to probably dip in, retest these 54,000 area. The reason I say this, because I'm looking to trade that. The way I trade, I look for the zone where a lot of liquidity is sitting. So people that were like buying here, the logical stop loss is down here, right? Or they have stop loss here. We might see a small bounce coming in lower time frame, and then we see more keep going. I want these 3 lows to be taken, so I will look for a bounce if we have a direct move here. I don't like to see a very slow bleed, because very slow bleed keeps on bleeding. So you don't want to see that. I'm not a fan of a slow bleed, right? When I say something that I'm looking for, does not mean it needs to happen. This is the difference between me and other traders, is a move that I'm expecting different things to happen. Either it can do this, or I'm expecting probably a move to go down here. The reason I say that, this is a very strong weekly zone right here. A very strong weekly zone that has not been tested yet. It did test this high of 1 second, I'll show you. So it kissed this high up here. But I want to show you something else as well. If we project this number right here, not the number, I mean this highs right here. So I'm just copying what happened there. Okay, I'm going to clone and shade it. Oh my god, it sits so well. Capsulation week doesn't matter if it's smaller or bigger. It fits so well to this scenario here. If it happens, we'll spend a bunch of time here. But the thing is, when I placed this bounce, I played this bounce very well because that time ADA had a huge hype and it dipped like crazy. Alright, from $2 or so, it dipped down to $1 or something, if I can remember. And I've been DCA into that loss, 110, 115. It was amazing. It bounced in one day 80%, and I had huge position in ADA. I was buying in the dip. I remember I started buying when the sharp dip happened from 39k all the way to 31k, but I was buying a lot more alts than BTC, so I made money more of alts. It was 20k a day. It's an amazing day for me. One of very few days you make such a good returns very quickly. And yeah, this is kind of drop. I've already, if you haven't been following my social medias, I've said I'm going all in this. I've shared that on Facebook. Under 50k fake out is an amazing entry because I do trade these kind of fake outs. I've traded this as well. I did not trade all the way up. All right, I've sold around this supply zone right here around 60k. I was out. I played half of the move, but I was all in. It was very good move because it was first time fake out of a weekly low and after a big move, and a lot of liquidity sitting here. Any like swing traders that were buying here, they had stop loss down here, final stop loss. And this is where market traps a lot of sellers. And then there's another high low happened, more sellers got trapped, and this is the move we played. It was amazing. Same thing happened here. So I like to play these kind of drops, sharp bounces happen with them because a lot of liquidation and plus buying happens. So the move, you know, moves much faster, and it's a very quick return. It's risky. I don't use stop losses because I know the move can go further down, and I DCA as long as I can, and then I play the bounce. So 90% I had a success rate with this kind of style. When it comes to stop losses, taking trades, it's a lot less win rate, but these kind of trades give me very good reward and quick moves, quick plays. I don't know, it works for me. I've been playing this since 2000, since mostly this area. So I've started playing this last bull run, even before that, because when you have big chunk of cash, you want to play these sharp bounces. So I've been playing these sharp drops. I wait for them. They happen after 1 or 2 months. Once like this one, drop, okay, and then moves up. It happens in Bitcoin, but I trade altcoins that been beaten up. It comes to demand zone right here perfectly, and then bounce it. So imagine from 42k to 50k in one day, right here 50k. Within one day, yeah, that's an $8,000 bounce. If you just buy one Bitcoin, I'm giving you an idea. It's a good return. You don't have to trade daily. This is what I do. I don't trade daily. I wait for this kind of setup. And right now we are losing momentum, and I don't see this gaining any strength. And I'm looking for this low to get broken, and hopefully we get a sharp move down. If that happens, I'm looking to buy down here in these lows, retest of this low, and play a small move up. If not, I'll look for this. This is one of the scenarios I'm looking for. Other scenario is a break of this. I'll see. I only do spot trading. So for me, mostly I like to play dips rather than breakouts. Another scenario is it takes the low of, because it's already too close, takes low, and then we have some kind of rejection, and then from here we start a new rally. So this is another scenario because I want market to take a liquidity before it goes up, because if market does not take enough liquidity before going up, the move will be weak. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any question, you can ask in comments below. I'll try to reply, or you can ask me on X, and I'll be there always replying if you guys need me there. But other than that, looks fine so far. I'm not fan of what's happening in daily chart. Let's see what's happening in 4-hour chart. Nothing special happening. Very bad price action here around 60k. It's just playing around 60k. I don't like this. I want to see market to take this low, this low, this low, take all the lows, come a bit down here, completely vanish all the stops here and then reject and go up, because if it doesn't take enough liquidity, it's gonna play around still, or either just come down here, end up like take all the longs that positions that are open, take the liquidity, and then gradually take its time and then move up. All right, market is very choppy right now because you can see it's not doing anything in the last 5-6 days. It's just ranging. That's pretty much it, guys. If you're not following my social media, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.